Hello there, future coders! In today's episode, we're plunging into the exciting realm of programming to explore something known as variables. At first glance, variables can seem like a perplexing maze or a desk piled sky-high with papers. But fret not, we're going to simplify this complex concept with a fun and relatable analogy. So, imagine a desk that's just covered in papers. Now think of variables as boxes on this desk. Much like a container, a variable holds information or data within a program. It's a bit like organizing your desk. You'd put different items in different boxes, right? Similarly, we label these boxes or variables with a descriptive name that tells us what's inside. This way we can find the data we need more easily when we need it. So, we've got our box labeled variable. Now let's put something in it. We take a piece of paper, write a number on it, and place it inside our box. This action is akin to assigning data to a variable in programming. Imagine the paper as the data and the box as our variable. We've written a number on our paper, say 24, and put it into our box, which we'll call age. So what we've essentially done is told our program that the variable age now contains the value 24. Our box or variable named age now holds a number. One of the great things about variables is that they're reusable. Imagine them as flexible storage boxes. They can hold anything, from a number representing age to a text string spelling out a name. So our boxes can hold anything from numbers to colors. Also, the content of our boxes can change. Let's say our age variable needs an update. We simply replace the old value with a new one. This illustrates how variables can be updated throughout a program's life. Just like that, our age variable now holds a new number. So, to summarize, think of variables in programming as named boxes. They hold data, can be reused with different data, and their values can be updated throughout the program. That's the basics of variables in programming. Keep exploring and happy coding.